Today we're at my cousin's place, and what we're going to do is we are going to be installing a new Axleback system on his WRX 2019. Alright, and that's basically it for stock noises. Alright, stop. Holy shit, that was such a struggle. This is from Remark, alright, US based company from Cali. It's basically straight piped. Should be pretty loud, right? So, this looks like it's, as my cousin mentioned back then, they only have the single walled, but it's pretty nice. It's painted flat black, excuse me. Welding's pretty on point. And something that he mentioned, there are flanges or exhaust hangers right here. There's a hook at the end to prevent it from kind of sliding out the exhaust hangers. Other than that, I mean, it's your typical muffler delete. Alright, and at the same time, this kind of saves you the trouble of painting your exhaust tips black. Let's take a closer look at the tips. Great. Slanted, staggered setup. Overall, how large is the pipe? 2.5, right?
The pipes are 2.5.
The tips are 3.5?
Yeah, 3.5.
Alright guys, so here it is. Last walk around of the car with its new exhaust. Let's interview the owner. How do you like it?
I love it.
You love it? Sounds much deeper.
Yeah, not too loud.
Not too loud? Not loud enough, right?
Well, it's not like it's what's it, R1? N1? R1?
The N1, right?
Yeah, the
NVIDIA,
N1.
the
Yeah.
single out.
Yeah, not like that one.
Well, the younger guys, 20-year-old guys want louder exhaust, so this is too loud for me, to be honest. But that's it. Another closer look. That's basically the system in itself. Right. Still running his stock downpipe. Other than that, there was a small exhaust leak, but he got it fixed. Just tightening a little bit of the bolts. Overall, I guess we'll hit him back up for a long-term review of the exhaust, but so far so good. I'm impressed as a golf car owner. Alright, thanks a lot for watching, guys. Take care.